This is a short video where I am going to show you how you could prioritize tasks because it's an extremely effective strategy to being organized and getting a lot of things done on time, accurately, and efficiently. Prioritizing is going to help you to be very successful at work, in your business, in your personal life, because there's only so many hours in the day, and we have to make sure that we are using our minutes as effectively as possible. This is Efficiency and Organization. My name is Rosanna Hernandez. I am an expert on time management, on being efficient, setting goals, and having good systems to actually accomplish those goals so you can succeed, so we can all succeed. So whether you're at work, whether you're at home, you probably have a lot of things you need to do. Step one is you have to write everything down. You can type everything if you like, that's what I do, or you can write them down. How do you write them? Well, you kind of have choices, okay? You can do Post-its, you can do a checklist, or you can use your planner and calendar. So here is what I do. I have my things I need to do today right here. What I do is everything I need to do is either like, ooh, this is a book, but I put them in these folders. They're just pocket folders. So it helps me because then I have them in priority order. What am I gonna do first? What am I gonna do second? What am I gonna do third? I don't wanna move them because this is in priority order already. My priorities for today were to do 3 videos. I already did 1. I have 2 sitting right in front of me. This is the video I'm doing now. I have 1 more after this. So that's what I do. As soon as I do each video, then I can actually throw this paper away because it's done. This is a system that I use to be organized, to prioritize the things I need to do. And as I mentioned, you can also do Post-its. So for example, everything you need to do today, no matter how minute it might be, you can write them on Post-its. But then on each one, put H, M, or L, high, medium, low. So for example, some of the things, today is Saturday, some of the things I needed to do was clean the house, wash the dog, do grocery shopping, make these 3 videos. I could make a Post-it for each of those things, put them in priority order. That way I can accomplish them one by one and throw them away. Okay, you don't want to have clutters and you don't want to have a messy desk. So as you accomplish each thing, you throw it away. In the past, I've also used my planner. So I take out my planner and everything I need to do that day, I write it down and I cross it off as I go. So this is a great strategy for prioritizing. One of my favorites is using a checklist, because then what I can do is write everything on a list, on a checklist. And I have a template that I can share in the description of the video that you can use, but I write everything down and then next to each I can either put HML, like to tell me which ones are the high priorities, medium priorities, low priorities, or I can actually go on this list and I can put them in order of priority that I can highlight. I could say pick up to 3 things that I want to do, very important, can't leave, can't do anything until I accomplish those, and I can highlight them. Don't say everything on your checklist is important. Pick, okay, if I had to go to bed today, what are the top 3 things that I need to make sure I do today? If you highlight them, then you can focus on those first. First thing, as soon as you wake up, focus on those, and then you can move on with your day. So I'm hoping that some of these strategies are helping you, but every day get in the habit of having a system for prioritizing your tasks. If you think people around you, people you know, also are like bogged down by so much to do and they're just kind of all over the place, share this video with them because maybe they can pick up on some practical ways to build prioritization. Of course, be sure to subscribe to this channel because I release videos on everything that has to do with these topics twice a week. I also put information on efficiencyandorganization.com. You can visit and subscribe there also. Everything I share is very helpful, useful, and practical to be able to achieve a lot in your life, in my life, and that way we can all learn from each other. I will catch you in the next video.